This is the FEM Spirit Cooker from Hungary. For my North American viewers, you probably recognise this as the Precise International Phoenix Campster, as it was sold in the USA underneath that name. It's a simple alcohol burner with a snuffer on top, 3 rings to hold. We take the magnet, it's got a steel frame and a steel burner. I thought it might have been alloy, but it isn't. It has a handle so it can be moved, probably when lit. It doesn't have any means of transporting with fuel in it, as the snuffer ring does not have any means of sealing. I have made a cap that fits tightly over the top. It's 3D printed from TPU. Hopefully the alcohol won't do anything. And that means I can now show you the side and underneath. It's quite a wide burner, but it's not very thick. We'll just remove the cap. This is mainly just to stop evaporation. The specifications, if you have a look on screen now, you will see a facsimile of the English instructions. Basically, it's a camping cooker, fozo, whatever that is in Hungary, means cooker, I think, in Hungarian. And the technical data, total capacity of the tank is 250 mils. And they say 100 mils of alcohol will last for 90 minutes cooking time. 50 mils, 50 minutes. For the boiling of 500 mils of water, it will take 15 minutes to boil. So it's not a fast boiler at all. And it says not to fill more than 150 mils into the tank. Now we have a quick look underneath. You'll see that there's not a lot of fuel in there. I'll just add some more, just a touch. And that should be enough. Now we won't be boiling up 500 mils, we'll be doing our usual 300 mils of water. We'll move these out of the way, we'll have this ready. Here we have our trusty Optimus kettle. Try and keep this away as much as possible from the camera. And we'll switch off the lights. We'll wait until it blooms. It's starting to bloom now. Now this had been obviously either never used or empty for a long time, so I did add alcohol 24 hours ago just to soak the wadding. We shall put on a stopwatch. The kettle fits very well onto the burner, though it does seem to be struggling for air. Now I wouldn't consider this a backpacking stove. It's a picnic stove, car camping stove, or for use in a cabin or whatever, a bothy. Some very interesting noises. So it seemed to take quite a long time to get to full bloom and to stop sputtering, but now it's working fine. If you're somebody that likes to wait until your burner is in full bloom, this will take a lot longer than the 15 minutes that they say in the instruction leaflet. Now, as we can see, we can move it around using the handle, which is silicone or rubber coated with a tube, so it's nice and heat resistant. Okay, now we can start to hear it beginning to boil. I'll just wait until we get a rolling boil. Okay, we can say that it's boiled at round about 14 minutes. It's rolling boil at the moment, so it's less than the 15 minutes that they say for 500 mils, but remember this was only 300 mils. And then to put it out, we have to slide this over the top and it snuffs out nicely. Now there is a bit of a smell of paint. As you can see, these are all blackened now, which is fine. It means it's been used. I don't see the point of having something that hasn't been used. So, thoughts? It isn't the fastest burner in the world. It's not that efficient, I would say. Although it didn't use a lot of fuel. I would say that the claims that they made for fuel and for boiling times is absolutely correct. Having the handle is quite handy. It's not a lightweight stove, it is made of pressed steel. It would be fine for on the motorbike, in the car camping. And they actually made a twin burner model of this for the, as far as I can tell, the US market. Here's a picture of one here. I like stoves that are a little bit different. These ones, this is a nice little stove for the shelf, for the collection. It also gave me something to do, just to print out the cap to cover the fuel, which is something that I'll be able to use on other stoves. It's a similar idea and concept to the Trangia Fire. And also the High stove, which is made by the same company as Seppel. And I'll be bringing you that next week. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe if you want. And tune in next week for another stove, which you'll be interested in. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.